In addition to the Cooler Master 4 and 3 module, I've also purchased an NZXT Sentry 2 fan control. The whole point of this is, firstly, it gives me control over the majority of the fans in my case externally, which is one feature I'd like to have. Secondly, I'm running 5 fans off of internal headers, and so they're not going particularly fast because, again, they are running off the internal headers. And so using splitter cables does obviously lower the amount of current that goes to the fan, so it can't push as much air through because it won't be able to go as fast. Also, I think it looks quite good as well. It's quite minimalist and sleek in my opinion. You can see the seal, the plastic seal on the outside was broken by Scan.com for their lovely warranty void sticker if removed. Box is fairly plain. It gives you some information just showing you've got 5 temperature probes, 5 fan controls, and touch screen made in China. Various symbols saying don't throw it in a bin, otherwise the EU will send you to prison. Again, a list of the features in English, French, German and Dutch. So breaking the seal and opening it, first thing we're greeted with is a raft of documentation. So, quick install guide, which is in at least English and German. That one's also in Spanish. And there's the thermal probe, so you can stick them pretty much anywhere in the computer, and then they'll give you 5 points you can tell the temperature at. Then you've got 2 pieces of high quality polystyrene on each end to protect it in transit. It's in this lovely anti-static bag that you've then got a raft of cables. So the construction of it's plastic, but that doesn't really matter. You're not going to be moving around a huge amount. It's going to go into your case. Then obviously you've got the large touch screen on the front, which allows you to control everything. There's the hole, so you can mount it into a regular 5¼ inch drive. There's 5 temperature probes. Personally, I don't see myself using those. I'm just going to stick to using it for the fact. And here's a raft of fan headers, some Molex ones, and several 3-pin ones, 5 3-pin ones and 5 Molex ones. You've also got the power with this black Molex cable. So again, it's fairly sleek looking, and I personally think it looks quite good. So this is the NZXT Sentry 2 fan control.